Pre-commercial thinning is done with the clearing saw. It's fast, reliable, and efficient. Proper training on the use of the clearing saw is a must, and safety is of the utmost importance. An approved hard hat must be worn at all times. Safety boots must have steel toes and a deep tread pattern to help prevent slips and falls. Safety pants with factory-installed ballistic nylon is required by some Newfoundland companies. Eye protection is a must. Safety glasses or a screen are recommended. Hearing protection is mandatory also. Gloves are a must and are also available with ballistic nylon. A first aid kit should be on your person at all times in case of injury. Also, a fire bag or bottle must be worn on your person at all times during fire season.